is Mary with Nails by MKG, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how much it costs to start your business with Color Street. Obviously, you're going to have the initial cost of buying the Color Street kit, which is $129 plus tax and shipping. This usually comes to be about $150 give or take with tax in your area. The kit is going to include tons of stuff to start your business: samples, order forms, catalogs, and nail sets. A lot of times this kit can pay for itself just with the nail sets that you can sell. Some other business expenses that you might incur are the monthly website fee. The first month that you start your business is free, and the month after that is going to be free as well. So the month you start and the full month following will also be free, and then after that you're going to pay $9.95 a month for your Color Street replicated website. And this is where your customers can come and check out the sets, they can order from you, they can join your team, and they can learn more about Color Street and how to apply the nails, everything like that. The next thing that you might need for your business, and I highly recommend to get right away, is business cards. This is how people are going to see your name and know that you're selling Color Street, and these go really great with your samples. I always put them in with my samples and hand them out, so that way people can get a hold of me to order more, and it's going to have my website on it and my phone number so they know where to contact me or order more. And then the last thing that I really think that you might need right off the bat is baggies to put your samples in. Some people go a little more fancy, they might get organza bags, but I just use clear plastic bags that Ziploc, and you can get those on Amazon for $3 to $6 depending on the quantity that you want to buy. And you put everything in there and hand them out. They look really presentable, and that's the way you're going to spread word about your business. When I make my sample bags, I again use these clear plastic baggies. I put in a sample, my business card with all my information on the front, and then an application instruction on the back, a nail prep pad, and a nail file. And the samples, nail prep pad, and nail file is going to come in your kit, so you won't need to purchase any of that right off the bat. That's going to come right in your kit, and that's basically the majority of the things that you'll need right off the bat to get started, and that will really catapult your business. So all in all, with business cards that you might order from Vistaprint or your local printer, you can really start this business under $200 easily. And that's really saying something when you think about starting a business, starting a franchise, and earning some money, because there's money to be made in selling $12 nail strips. I've seen it myself, and I've seen lots of success. I've had success myself, and it's really an enjoyable process. Ladies love to paint their nails, and the product is very consumable. Women come back week after week needing more nails, so it's really an easy product to sell, and the amount of work that you put in is what you'll get in return. So if you think that this might be something that you'd be interested in selling, I'd love to chat with you, and I will put my information in the comments below, and I will also put my join link if you're ready to join. So if you have any questions for me, go ahead and reach out. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day.